Hello guys and welcome in this video. It's really exciting news because we got something in the post.
Yes.
So thank you Rick for sending them and let's talk about it. So what do we got?
We have got the Stone Aquamassage pillow. It's a really cool piece of equipment. Anyone that came to our networking event last year would have met Rick there and had a little trial. We were really interested and really keen to have a go. So now we have one to try. So let's give it a go.
Let's do this. Let's unpack the box and see what's inside, shall we? You can do this.
I can do it. There we go. I got it. I opened the box.
So it comes like really nice box with the logo and the website.
In a little plastic bag to keep it together.
Recycle.
Yes.
And this is the pillow.
Yeah, it's quite a big size.
So yeah, it's much wider than the normal person would be.
I was going to say it's a bit wider than the massage couch.
Than the massage couch.
Is
it?
Nicer.
Well, it depends.
Yeah.
We need to try it. But it's pretty wide, really nicely made. It's definitely well made.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite a thick material, plasticky material.
Inside.
Yeah.
Have a nozzle to fill up the water.
And it's also got a temperature gauge on here. Oh, I don't know if you can see it now. There we go. Yeah, so that's quite handy as well to make sure the water's not too hot. But apparently it's just hot water from the tap. So you're not boiling a kettle or anything else, so it should be no problems with burns or anything, but we'll find out.
We're gonna find out. So Rick developed this pillow in a couple of reasons. First of all, possibly to save your hands while working with clients.
Yeah.
Another part is to help and work with the clients who are unable to turn to lay prone, so lay flat, face down.
All the work is with the pillow underneath your back, so it can take a lot of the pressure off the muscles and everything from the client. So it's really relaxing as well. But it's great to be able to work through clothes as well.
Yeah.
So you don't need to worry about the oils and things. So for event work and things, it's fab because you haven't got to
for event work, for working in offices when the people, sometimes it's not comfortable, the place where you work, you don't want to take their clothes. So, even have a massage couch. Not everyone have an office massage chair. So if you want to work in an office, this is really, really great solution.
Yeah.
And because of the warm water, so obviously relax the muscles. So lying on it is definitely help. Already do 20% of the work for you.
Yeah, and it keeps the heat of the water once you fill it up for about 2 hours. So that's fab. You don't have to keep changing it in between clients, especially if you're doing event work. You might be only doing 20-minute sessions. So you can get a few clients in before you have to change the water again, which is nice. By that time you want to have a bit of a break anyway. So yeah, that's really handy.
And seriously, people loved it. It's so amazing. First time when I lie down on this pillow was on an MTI conference.
Yeah.
Rick just pulled me and I was try this one. I was like, all right. And seriously, I loved it, every bit of it. And that's why we done an interview with Rick on our podcast. So definitely check it out.
Yeah, we'll put the link in
the descriptions. And when he talks about how and why he developed this pillow, and it just feels amazing. And this is something we're gonna show you how you can work with the pillow, obviously in a minute. But
yeah, I'm quite excited to see how to use it myself because I've received one treatment at a show because you convinced me to give it a go. And it is amazing to receive, so I'm quite keen to see what it's like to give someone a massage when they're lying on it and have a little practice.
And it's something you need to try for yourself, because you can see it, you can watch it. It's great. We can show you whatever you want in the video how we're going to use it, but you definitely need to try for yourself. Rick goes to every possible show in UK, so yeah, if you see him, very fun guy. Rick, we love you.
Yes, we do. Always good for a chat.
So yeah, definitely go to him. Try it for yourself. That's the only way to experience this. But yeah,
but let's fill it up and give it a go. Let's do this.
Let's do this. So hi guys, this is the way how you fill up the pillow, and it's nice and ready. Couple of things, yeah, when you have an OCD and you want to get all the air bubbles out, no chance. We tried.
They don't all come out.
We tried it. They all don't come out, and it's still fine. So yeah, let's show you how. Let's try it. How it's good. Who's going first?
I'll go first.
I'm going first. I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
It feels amazing.
How does it feel?
Do you know, I don't. Well, I was gonna say I don't know if I need a massage now, but I do. I do.
So we check the temperature is about 34 and 45 degrees. And now let me tell you on the side.
Where is it?
Where is it? It's here. So temperature is 35 Celsius. That's funny. 35 degrees of Celsius. I can't say it. You say it. Celsius. Shush, or whatever. The temperature thingy. And 95 Fahrenheit. That's better. Celsius, Fahrenheit. Yeah. Shush. Lie down. You get a client as usual. Just lie down on there, get comfortable. One of the first things.
Instant comfort.
Instant comfort. In the beginning, it feels really weird and wobbly, but you know, it's the warmth and comfort of it makes clients really, really comfortable. So that's the first things we notice about it.
It's a little bit like a waterbed, but not as not as much movement. It wraps around you and gives you a nice little warm hug.
And it's all about this exactly. So clients can face down, so you can work with them like that. So basically, you just lift the client a little bit. Good thing.
Yes.
No ring, no watches, because you know you might pierce it, and that would be wet incident.
Wet client.
Wet client. So just push your hands underneath, which is sliding really, really nicely underneath, and very, very nicely. You can just find everything, feels everything, and just because of the warmth of the pillow in the water, everything relax really nicely. So really great benefit of this pillow.
Yeah, it feels amazing.
Yeah, you can just work your shoulders, your neck. You can move to lower back and the hips.
And also you can use 2 pillows, so you could have one underneath the legs as well.
One underneath the legs as well.
But that feels really good. Even before you've started massaging, because at the moment you're just finding your way, it just feels really nice. The movement and the warmth of the water moving around just helps everything relax.
Actually don't know what I'm doing, but it just feels so natural. It just, because I haven't used this pillow, it just feels really natural. You're just following the muscles, you're following the tension, you're finding the tension, which you can feels everything really, really nicely.
Yeah, I had read that you can feel scapula easier. Have you found that?
I think it's just when I put my hands underneath, the scapula, the shoulder blade just synced in my hand really nicely.
Yeah.
So it's really nice if you wanted just to work some retractions in there, just like mobilization around it.
Because if I'm this way round, it's harder to find the scapula, isn't it, when you're that way?
Well,
actually it rolls around.
You'll have to lift your shoulders and move it, but you know, working underneath, much easier. How does it feel lying down in front?
Do you know, I was just about to say, as a woman, when I lie down, sometimes it can be quite uncomfortable, but this is amazing. It gives really good support, and that's the nicest I've felt when I'm lying down, if that makes sense. But yeah, it just cushions everything, so rather than being completely squashed, which can be quite painful when someone's working deeply on your back, that's really, really comfortable.
One of the problems, exactly, woman, because of the boobs, lying down, face down, can be a problem, so you need to support them with the pillows, but this is really great solution.
Yeah, this is more comfortable than the pillows.
Yeah.
Because quite often you've got to keep moving around, but this just molds.
Pregnancy massage.
Yeah.
For comfort. Working side lying.
Yeah.
To give the warmth to the belly, to the baby.
Even actually lying here sideline, I feel more supported.
Yeah.
That I'm not going to rock as much.
Because the water, comes from the,
Yeah, both sides, and it wraps around you. I like it.
No, really great. Rick, well done. This is a really great product.
It feels really smooth as well, really soft and yeah.
And you could Rick mentioned you can work with the oils very easily. You could just have to wipe it after with the disinfection.
Not mineral oils.
Not mineral. Okay.
I don't know why, but that's one of the warnings on it.
We need to ask Rick. But seriously, one of the things I would give a really good solid 10 Bs.
Yeah,
I like
it. Definitely.
I really like it. So 10 Bs for you, Rick, and for your product.
Yeah. And also he does training courses, which I think would be really worthwhile learning how to use it efficiently.
Yeah, because as well, exactly, because it's new products, it's really hard to find out what to do and how you do. So yeah, Rick does the training, which you can find on his website. We're going to put all the details below in the show notes. And you can buy the course. I think he does 2 courses, one pregnancy and one just a normal massage. And I think you get the pillow in the price with the price of the course as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's awesome.
It is, it's amazing. And the thing is, it's good, not just for massage either. There's loads of different uses for it. I know he sells quite a few to the beauty industry, for people that are having facials or something done to keep the client warm and comfortable. Elderly people, so they can just have the cushion in their own home.
For the home use, for yourself,
yes.
yeah. If you have back problems, if you just something warm, instead of just
anybody can use
small hot water bottle, you have a big pillow
wrapped around you.
Wrap around you. As well, he mentioned you can use it warm and cold water. So obviously warm is great. If you're working somewhere on a beach or in hot countries or after
sunburn,
sun, things like that, you can put the cold water in there, so we'll have this benefit of cold water.
I suppose you could use it after an injury as well.
After injury, just put the cold water instead of the ice pack and just wrap it around your limb or whatever is your injury.
Yeah.
You can use this one.
It's brilliant for people that can't get out of bed, to avoid bed sores as well. You can slide it underneath to improve the mobility and get them moving.
NHS, get on it. Get this in the hospitals.
He has been training apparently with some of the NHS staff with post and prenatal work with them, so you never know. And
even if you need to calm down after a whole day of stress, you can just
lie on it.
Play with it. It's fun. It's so much fun. We like it. Guys, I hope you liked our review. Tell us in the comments if you have used this pillow or if you haven't, and what do you think. As always, please share our video, like it, thumbs up,
hit the little bells. Subscribe. The
little bell, just one, not two. Subscribe to our channel if you like what we do, and spread the word about this. And if you have any other products or you're doing massage oil, any massage products, let us know, contact us, and we'll be happy to review it and spread the word about it.
Yeah. So get in touch, and we shall be back soon.
And see you at the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
So you're recording now?
No. Of course he doesn't. Of course he does.
Of course he does.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, shut the door!
Why oh my god? Don't do it, oh my god.
Oh, that's okay, carry on.
And so do you want to go first, or shall I go first?
No, I'll go first.
Well, as a massaging?
No, I was lying down.
In a shot. Yeah. Smile. Camera. Bang! Come over here.
For sending them through. Don't forget that bit.
Why?
Get to it.
You.